Welcome everyone, this is Mugu and today I'm showing you how to change the shock absorbers on your e-scooter, specifically a Kugoo M4 Pro. So let's go. Here's what you're gonna need. Allen keys, a wrench, and the 19mm socket. Release this one and this one. This one broke, so I'm just gonna release this bolt. And also release these two bolts. Put this somewhere safe. And then you want to remove this protector. You're gonna need an Allen wrench right here and here. Then remove this and hold it with an Allen key here. Then pull it out. And just turn it like this until you get it out. This is the old and this is the new. Now just turn it back. So this is how it looks now. Now we have to put the wheel back on. So take the long bolt and push it here. Then comes a washer and your spacer. Then you put your wheel back, but keep in mind of the rotation of the wheel. So the wheel is going this side. So we put it on like this. And here you're gonna need a spacer too. And because I lost the spacer here, I'm gonna put this oversized nut. Then put your nut back here and tighten it down. Then we're gonna put the brake caliper back. Then we're gonna put the brake caliper back. Again, forgot to film the outro, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.